Hey guys, so the highly anticipated Nokia 9 PureView is expected to go official through the Mobile World Congress 2019 tech event. Earlier this week, leaked render of the Nokia 9 PureView had surfaced online to give a good look at its design. So now, some real images of the upcoming flagship phone from the company to reveal its wearisome appeal. The Nokia 9 PureView will be sporting an elongated display with rounded edges and equal-sized upper and lower bezels. The top bezel has some sensor at the top left corner, and there is a selfie camera along with the Nokia brand name. The bottom bezel of the phone is barren. Rumors have it that it features a 5.9-inch AMOLED display that produces Quad HD plus resolution. The display of the smartphone could be equipped with HDR10 support. It could be the first Nokia smartphone to arrive with an in-display fingerprint scanner. The reflected rear of the Nokia 9 PureView guesses that it features a glass rear. The ZEISS branded penta-lens setup along with LED flash and autofocus module can be seen on the rear shell of the phone. The Snapdragon 845 mobile platform may power the Nokia 9 PureView. It may come in two models such as 6GB RAM plus 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. It could be packed with a 4150 mAh battery. Apart from fast charging, the Nokia 9 PureView may also come with wireless charging support.